welcome to my video today. Happy Tuesday. I am here to share a couple things with you. I am so sorry about that light. Let me grab a Hello everybody and happy Tuesday. I just have a few things that I want to share with you. I have some cards here that we're going to take a look at, and then I have a new product from Stampin' Up. I'm going to open up this box and check it out. I'm really excited to do that. And then I just want to catch up with you. I haven't really had a lot of time to do any crafting, so I don't have a card tutorial video for you. I will be back on Thursday with a brand new feature for you that I'm going to start, a brand new series. So I'll have that on Thursday, and then on Friday I'll have a video for you as well. So today, let me just share with you a couple things. These are the paper party retreat cards. My paper party is this weekend. It is Friday and Saturday. Pip, Todman and I are getting prepared to do that. If you missed out on the paper party, there is a link to get the digital part of the paper party. It's $35. You get to come to the party this weekend. You get entered into all of the giveaways. It just, you won't get any paper or any card kits because I don't have any left. But you can come to that and get all the digital items for that and see all of the projects that we're going to make and be a part of the party and hang out. That is $35, and it is in the description link below or over on my website. So let me show you the cards that I've done for this weekend. These are my 5 papers that I picked out to do the cards for, and then Pip has another 5 cards that she designed for the paper that she picked out. And then of course we do so many fun projects in the group on Friday and Saturday. We're gonna have some lives and some different projects we're going to put together. I'm really excited about it. So these are just the cards that I designed, and I thought I would share those. And I love the way they came out. I'm getting ready to write my PDF for those cards. So there's a PDF that comes with those. And then I have one other offer. I actually sent it out in my email list. Everyone who's on my list to get emails from me. I sent this out yesterday, and I wanted to show you the Simply Citrus bundle. So this is the Simply Citrus, or the Sweet Citrus bundle. It is the stamp set. There is an embossing folder that goes with it, and then there is a die, and you can get all of this for $49.50, and that is the bundle. So I sent out an email that said if anybody wanted this bundle, if you clicked on the link to purchase it, you would get from me, you would get the Sweet Citrus bundle that you are purchasing, and then you would get a pack, a brand new pack of this black and white designer paper. Now I have 2 packs here, so it's quite thick. The pack that you would get for free is 1 pack, and it's this beautiful black and white paper. I love it. I'm using it for lots of projects this month. So you would get a full pack of that for free, plus a celebration item, and then you would also get the PDF and exclusive video to make these cards. So just by purchasing the bundle, which there is a link below, it says Sweet Citrus bundle. It is just the cost of the bundle, of the stamp set and the die and the embossing folder plus shipping. It comes directly from Stampin' Up. So I am going to place the order through Stampin' Up. It will come right to you. It will have the bundle, the brand new pack of 6x6 black and white paper, and then whatever celebration item you pick out. So you can even pick out 12x12 paper because I'm not shipping it to you. It's coming directly from Stampin' Up. So when you do that, then you'll get the PDF and the exclusive video to make these cards here. And I love the way these came out. These were so fun to design and to make. I really loved it. So that is just an offer that I have if you were looking to get the Sweet Citrus bundle and you wanted to get that. It's an awesome time to get that free paper and a free celebration item. So let's do a little unboxing. This is a brand new product from Stampin' Up. It just came out this month. And can we just admire the box? Am I the only person that loves boxes. Like, I have such a hard time getting rid of boxes. It's always like such an internal debate of like, should I get rid of this box or should I keep it? So I love this box. It is a thin box, and then it has Stampin' Up on it, and then it opens up. It's like a pizza box, a mini pizza box. And I'm very excited about this. I actually thought it was going to be a little bit bigger than it is, but I cannot wait to do this. I love having paper items that are home decor. I have lots of them. I have wreaths and paper flowers and just different things that I have made for each season. And this is going to be perfect for the spring and for summer. So it is this right here. It comes with all of the pieces. So it comes with this hoop, which is really like sturdy. It's not at all, flimsy. And then it comes with some twine, some brads, some adhesive, some instructions, they are colored instructions. So you have that, and then you have all of these pieces that pop out. I'm going to try to leave everything together because I'm not quite ready to put this together, but you can see you have all these. You have some glue dots. I will probably take some ink and some glitter and ink these up. When I make this, I will definitely share it. I just wanted to, I've been just going crazy wanting to open this up and check it out. I really like the size of it, and I was afraid that these flowers would be like really thin, like pattern paper, but they're not. They're like a cardstock. So this will be so fun to do. I can't wait. I think I'm going to add black and white ribbon to mine. This is the hoop, and what I'm thinking I will do is I have a couple different black and white ribbons. I have this thicker one, and I was actually thinking that it might look really cool to wrap this around and do black and white like that. Or I also have some thinner ribbon, some thinner black and white ribbon, and that could be really cool to wrap it around as well. And then have the flowers on it. So I'll have to decide, but I definitely think I'm gonna wrap this, or at the very least I will probably paint it. Like, I could paint it black or white. That could work too. So once I put this together, I will share it with you and share how it comes out. This was a fun, and it's not that expensive. This was only, I think, $13.95 for this little project. So I love that. It is an online exclusive, so it's not in a catalog. It is just on the website. So I'll link to that as well. If you have any questions, let me know. I hope you're having a great Tuesday, and I will be back on Thursday to share with you a new series I am starting. And until then, I hope you have a wonderful day, and I'll catch you on Thursday.